It is the spooky season here, and for today's special on my YouTube channel, we are going to be taking the pedal car here, which you haven't seen in a good while, and we're going to be taking it to a couple local events for the Halloween. So tomorrow is Friday the 29th, and we will be having a trunk and treat with some other car enthusiasts and passing on candy and hopefully not making too much trouble. And then I'm planning myself to pot around my neighborhood here and pass out candy to some of the locals. But we got to do something better than this. I mean, I love the paint scheme and everything, and everyone's going to love seeing this and the little trailer I have back there. But we need to spice it up a bit. So I went out to the store and last minute bought a couple of Halloween decorations. Links down to these lights in the description, so you have this ready for the 2022 Halloween season. We got this little guy from Firemart. We got these two items from Spirit Halloween, and those online on Amazon. So we got some pumpkin LED lights and then some orange battery operated lights. Now I've got a rough idea of what I want to do, and it's kind of similar to what I've done of other previous events here. I want to try to see if I can get the lights to strand around this top frame and maybe come down if I have enough, and then mirror that to the other side because I have two strands. The trailer is going to get the same treatment. We're basically going to take the trailer here, and then we're going to wrap it around the thing here. And then if I've got time later, I might carve a pumpkin or two to sit in there, but that's basically going to be holding the candy, which got in there, a huge pound bag and whatnot. My brother's going to be passing on candy. It's like, why don't I do the same thing? So let's go ahead and get started, I guess.
Engage time-lapse mode.
So I must say I am very happy with how everything turned out here on the lights and the trailer lights. These ones on the trailer could be a little bit brighter, but the variety that you can get with these lights off of Amazon here is fantastic. If you want to check them out for the 2022 season, then I'll leave a link down in the description, non-affiliate, if you want to go ahead and check them out. But it looks like I'm probably going to need to get a bowl or a big bowl for those two bags of candy, and I'm thinking I might put a pumpkin in there. May or may not carve it off camera. We'll see, but this is the general idea. But that's about everything I can do here. Let's go ahead and fast forward to the action when, well, I guess we're leaving. See you tomorrow night. All right, it is the next day. The candy's all loaded. We got Sweet Tooth the pumpkin ready to go, and I got me some water here. I say we go ahead and open the door and get moving.
Yeah, buddy. Let's go on and get there. Hopefully, well, lens is a little dirty, but I'll do the best I can. That's probably it. I don't know if that's it. Well, I'm at the location, but it doesn't seem like anyone's here yet. Granted, I'm probably like 20, 30 minutes early. We'll see.
Just you?
At the moment, it seems.
Holy cow! Are they?
I thought.
We're early, so
I guess I was going to be earlier too. Like I thought of leaving here at 6:30, take 15 to 20 minutes, but I guess no, it doesn't.
Cool.
Thank you.
Like the pumpkin.
Thank you. You're more than welcome to visit Sweet Tooth over there and grab a couple pieces if you would like.
You can keep your candies.
No, I probably could have left the house.
I've never seen before.
I'm sorry?
I've never seen these candies before.
Really?
Which ones? Oh, those are cookies, bud.
Yeah, those are cookies actually. They
Those
sell them at
are-
Dollar Tree.
Yeah. Really?
Yeah.
Really?
They're hit or miss. They came in. They came in recently. Mom got a bulk of them, and then well put them in there. So now I think some of the people are starting to show up. Maybe. Fingers crossed. Yeah, there we go. There's a car
I see
enthusiast.
Jason.
Well, we have shopping to do, so we'll just come back.
I see
Alrighty.
Jason Forney.
Yeah.
I see Jason. I see Jason.
Yeah. See you guys around.
I see
There they go. No pulling, it's fine. Hello. Hello.
That doesn't work.
There you go. Yeah, feel free to grab a couple pieces if you like. By all means, give Sweet Tooth a little hello there in the pumpkin.
Awesome. What do you say now? Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a happy Halloween.
Mine's getting there.
Should I move by any chance out of curiosity, or am I fine sitting right here?
You're probably good.
Okay. Woo-wee.
I mean, personally, I wouldn't want to park too close to that thing either.
Ah! Because as long as the loot in the back is good. They're showing up by the numbers. Got a couple cars here. Something down behind me. Woo-wee. Hello.
Everybody's still getting ready, kind of, or?
Some are coming in by the numbers. I don't know what's going on. I just parked here and just started heading out.
I like the vehicle.
Thank you.
I know. Did you say trick or treat?
Yep. Feel free to visit Sweet Tooth over here and grab a couple pieces of candy.
Just a couple moments.
Don't worry, I've got a lot more where that came from, so. Have a good one, guys.
That's what it looks like. No skin.
Yeah, no part. Look at there you go.
Jeez, people. Everyone calm down. We're not trying to get kicked out. There it is. There they go. This pickup's really nice.
Unfortunately, guys, as I mentioned in the middle of this video, for FTC and Copa versions, I don't really have much footage other than that. It's currently at the end of Halloween, and I had a great time handing out candies to some of the kids and families around my neighborhood here. So if you saw this pedal car, then I'm glad to make your night. I'm glad everything went well and you thought it was cool, and it was very fun to do and very warm to the heart. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this Halloween special. There's more videos to come here and there if you want to go ahead and subscribe. Other than that, my name is Caden Nighthawk, and I will see you guys later. Bye for now, and God bless.